inyong tatay, mga magulang, mga kapatid. Pwede mong suguin ang inyong anak. Pwede mong utusan or pwede mong isend ang iyong anak, pero hindi mo siya pwedeng ibigay. Pero at this moment, God sent His Son, and God is not only sent His Son, but He gave His Son. Next slide, tignan nga po natin sa John chapter 3, verse 16. Ano po sabi po? For God so loved the world that He gave His one and only Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have eternal life. Sabi ho, nung pinag-aaralan po natin, how God shows His love toward us. God sent His Son. God gave His Son. God gave His Son. Ibinigay niya ang kanyang anak. Anong ibig sabihin po dito, Pastor? Ano po ibig sabihin po dito? According sa pag-aaral po, nung si Jesus po ay nakapako sa krus ng Kalbaryo, at mababasa mo natin sa account po ng Matthew ho,